So today we're going to unbox some products from Monat for fine or thin hair. Monat had a sale on, so I ended up purchasing a couple of the same items, because it's never bad to buy more on sale than not. First off, we have the Intense Repair Conditioner. I ended up purchasing 2 of these. And to go with the conditioners is the Intense Repair Shampoos. I also have a couple thickening sprays, and Intense Repair treatments. So I have been using Monat for over a year and I really love it. So Monat has different types of shampoos and conditioners and products for all different hair types. So here we have the Intense Repair Shampoo, which helps strengthen and restore thin hair to look thicker and fuller. All you need to use is a quarter size of product in your hand. Lather it up and put it directly on your scalp, massaging it in and rinsing with water. It is a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser with an invigorating blend of rosemary oil and mint that delivers an intense clean scalp and hair. Just using a little goes a long way. Monat's tip is, shampoo your hair twice for best results. First wash removes excess dirt and second wash gets your hair clean, leaving it on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and repeat. To follow after your shampoo is the conditioner, using the Intense Repair Conditioner, a rich conditioner that stimulates the scalp and provides intense conditioning and protection for all your scalp and hair. Thickening Spray is great for styling. It gives you body and bounce with flexible hold, providing extra body and bounce to hair shafts, spraying it on your scalp and hair before styling. This product creates constant and lasting hold for a variety of hairstyles while helping to protect scalp health and support healthy hair. The Intense Repair Treatment is one of my favorite products from Monat. It is an intense daily leave-in treatment, perfect for those who are experiencing loss of hair, spraying it along the hairline and in the thin areas on the scalp. So if you have fine or thinning hair, these products will be great for you, not only helping your hair feel great, but helping yourself feel great as well, and manageable. I also wanted to include this video is not sponsored by Monat. It's just something that I have used over the year and enjoy. So if you're struggling with fine or thin hair, I just wanted to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching. And remember to click the notification bell to be notified for all new videos.